quick video on how I changed the oil on my car. It's a 07 SI. Yeah, it's gonna be quick. You're gonna need your oil, of course. I like to use this. You can use any oil you want, really, but the car calls for a 5W30, and this is what I've been using. So, and along with the filter. Yeah, a lot of people say you can use OEM is better, but to me, I don't really see much of a difference. I mean, you can't get, I mean, it's nice to have OEM parts, but, you know, why not just go along with what you like? And that's what I'm doing. This car, I believe it's about 4.5 quarts, so I brought 5. Yeah. Basic tools, you know, your socket wrenches, jack stand, and the jack. Alright, so what you want to do is get them on jack stands.
You got different tables?
Like that. And got the jack here just in case, you know, safety first. But, and what you want to do is unscrew this one right there. Yeah, so mine's a 17 mil. I don't know about any other cars, but this is a 17 mil, and you just need a wrench or a socket wrench like the one I have here, size 17, and so you have your little drain pan, whatever thingy, and yeah. So, oh shit! So I just bolted it, loosened it up. Let's hope I don't miss, guys. Hope I don't miss the pan. There you go. Look how black that is. Look. Can't tell because of my glove. And sorry about that, guys. But let it drain for a couple minutes until it's completely gone or dripping. What I like to do is, after it drains, I'll put a little bit of oil through the engine oil cap, and let it drain out till it's clear, and then I'll put that little bolt back on. So yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that, but I just poured some clean oil in there to get the rest of the dirty one out. But, yeah, it looks way cleaner. Alright, looks good enough, so let's bolt it back on. Alright, so now we gotta take out the filter, the oil filter, and I found this the easiest way to do, but let me know in the comments below if you guys got a better way of taking out the oil filter. I removed the wheel, the front passenger side, just to get to it. I mean, it gives me more room, more access to it, but I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do or I'm just doing too much or something, but whatever, it works for me. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys recommend or what do you guys do. Alright, so got the wheel off. As you can see, the filter is right here. Right there. See how much room I got to get it? So under here and everywhere else, not really sure how to get to it, but this is the easiest way for me. So yeah, let me take this out. I'm gonna need 2 hands. All right, so after quite a while, got the filter out. Oh, that filter was hard. It was stuck in there. Anyways, you put that new one. This one right here. Number 1. Right, cool. Got the filter in. Let's go pour the oil. Alright, got the cars off the jack. Now let's pour some oil in there. Right, so all the oils are in right there. They didn't have the big jug, so I had to get these ones. But yeah, it got dark pretty quick. It's barely 5 o'clock, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna let it start up real quick. So you're gonna see a light like this, your oil life. Mine's at 50%. And you see that little wrench there. So in order to reset it, what you gotta do is over here on the, oh, let me turn on the flash. Well, maybe you can see it. This button right here that says sell or reset. What you wanna do is you wanna hold on to it until your oil light starts blinking or flashing. Let's do it right now. So might take about 10-15 seconds, maybe. Yeah, see? So what you want to do after it's flash, let it go and hold it down again until, oh shit, what the fuck happened? There you go. I guess that'll work too. But now my oil life is at 100%. But yeah, so that's basically it. So yeah guys, that's all there is to it for oil change. Man, it got dark quick. Look at this. It's only not even 5:30, bro. But anyways, if you guys find this useful, or if you guys like it or hate it, whatever, drop a comment, you know, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
It's like that in a hieroglyphics, yeah. It's like that in a hieroglyphics, yeah. It's like